Hi, good morning friends. In this video, I am explaining about exercise 8.4, 8th chapter, class 10th. Write all the trigonometric, second question, write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. Previous video, find sin A value. What is the sin A value? Sin A equal to square root of secant square A minus 1 divides secant A. Next, cos A value. Cos A value. This value we find in terms of secant value. Simply we can write cos A equal to 1 by secant A. Cos A equal to 1 by secant A. Next, tan A value. Next, tan A value. From the trigonometric identities, what is the tan A? 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. From this value, I am finding 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. But I need only tan A value. So for this tan square A equal to, this value goes to be RHS. So it will be a minus secant square A minus 1. Tan square A equal to secant square A minus 1. So, but I need only tan A value. Tan A equal to tan square A. Here I am taking both square root from to LHS and RHS. Square root of tan square A value, square root of secant square A minus 1. Square tan A, square under root cancel. So tan A equal to square root of secant square A minus 1. What is the tan A value? Tan A equal to secant square A minus 1. Next, cot A value. Next, cot A. Cot A value. Cot A value, how we find from the trigonometric ratios, identities. Cot square A. Cot square A plus 1 equal to directly I am finding cot A equal to 1 by tan A. Here already we get tan A value. So simply I substitute this value in cot A value. So cot A equal to 1 by tan A. What is the tan A value? 1 tan A equal to square root of secant square A minus 1. Yes, we get cot A value in terms of secant values. Next, cosecant A. Cosecant A. What is from the basic information? What is the cosecant value? Cosecant equal to 1 by sin A. Sin A. Here already we get sin value. This value we substitute in this one. Cosecant A equal to 1 by sin A. Sin A means square root of secant square A minus 1 divides secant A. Here this is in the form of A divides B by C. So in numerator we have fraction value. So A by this value can change into B. A by B equal to A divides B by C equal to, here A into C divides B. So this value goes to be a numerator. So this is also goes to be a numerator. 1 into secant A divides square root of secant square A minus 1. 1 into secant A. So secant A divides square root of secant square A minus 1. Secant A value. This is the value of cosecant A value in terms of secant square. In this sum, we find sin A value, cos A value, tan A value, cot A value, then cosecant A value. All these values we find in terms of secant A. What is the sin A? Square root of secant square A minus 1 by secant A. Cos A equal to 1 by secant A. Tan A equal to square root of secant square A minus 1. Cosecant A equal to secant A divides secant square minus 1. For last one, cot A equal to 1 by square root of secant square A minus 1.